नमस्कार, मैं डॉक्टर संदीप सिंह, डायरेक्टर एंड सीनियर कंसल्टेंट नारायणा हेल्थ नॉर्थ और हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट कार्डियोवैस्कुलर थोरेसिक सर्जरी एट धर्मशिला नारायणा सुपर स्पेशलिटी हॉस्पिटल. Today we are going to talk about cardiac surgery in a very brief and broad manner. What is cardiac surgery? Cardiac surgery is basically surgery on the heart and is divided into basically four subtitles or sub specialties. One is coronary artery surgery or what is called as bypass surgery of the heart. The other is called valve surgeries or surgeries in the valves, surgeries on the valve which are in the heart. Congenital heart surgery is surgery generally of congenital disease or disease from childbirth, and then we have a new expanding branch which is called surgery of heart failure or heart failure surgery, which also covers heart transplants. Now briefly, if we talk about these specialties, coronary artery surgery is nothing but surgery done when the coronary arteries or the arteries of the heart are blocked, and in this we use either the arteries of the from the chest or veins from the legs to do the surgery, and in this we bypass the block and give blood supply directly to the arteries. It can be done as beating heart or can be done on on the heart lung machine, but the most popular common one now is the beating heart surgery. The valvular heart surgeries are done for the valves of the heart. There are four types of valves in the heart, or four valves in the heart, two on the right system and two on the left system. The more important ones are the ones on the left side of the heart, because this is the pumping chamber of the body, and this is where the pressures are much higher. They are called the aortic and the mitral valves. The aortic valve surgery is called aortic valve replacement or repair. The mitral valve surgery is called mitral valve repair or replacement. And when we do both of them, we call it a double valve surgery. The third, the congenital heart disease, the most common of them are holes in the heart or structural defects in the heart. The holes in the heart are easier surgery, generally done when the child is born with a defect in the heart between the chambers, and this is one of them. The atrial septal defect is a very common defect, and can be done even much later in the age group. The ventricular septal defect is generally done when the child is very small, and when you have a structural defect of the hearts, they are generally done much earlier in the lifetime. Then we talk about the heart failure surgery. The heart failure surgery is the new expanding branch, like I told you. In this, the surgery is done when the heart becomes very weak or cannot sustain the body. So the first thing that is done is we structurally try to reform the heart, called myocardial remodeling, and this or ventricular remodeling. Then there is an exciting field that is building up now. This is called the devices, left ventricle assist devices, which support the left ventricle side, and it can be implanted inside the body and can help you to live many years on it. If we can get a heart for the patient, then we do what is called the heart transplant. Now the heart transplant at one time was a very rare surgery, but slowly a lot of hospitals are now doing it in the country. The major problem with heart transplant is getting a donor. If you can get a donor, a lot of hospitals can do heart transplant. So cardiac surgery as a whole is a very exciting field and a very interesting field. Thank you.